Hello, it's Ace here with another review, unboxing for another small RC. It's an S-Gile Autumn Max, 2.4 gigahertz. It's a little stunt car, and it's for 6+ years old. It's 1/28 scale. Top speed is 7.5 miles per hour, or 12 kilometers. This comes with the battery, the charger, and here's the battery. It's a 4.8 volt nickel metal hydride battery. It's one of these little black connectors. And here's the vehicle. It is able to spin, rotate the wheels, and the tires. The tires are soft rubber. There's the battery compartment, obviously. And underneath is the same thing. This is just the top of it, top of the car. It's very simple to use. It's got a little simple remote here. It's just forward, backwards, and you turn it. It operates like a kind of like a skid steer or a forklift. You press both buttons, it'll go forward, and if you only press one, it'll flip. If you press the other one, it'll flip the other way. I'm gonna go put the battery in this, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and now I'm going to run this little car, show you what it does. Back here is the on and off switch. You turn it on, and it looks like nothing happens. And then you push the center button on the controller, and it's on. There we go. You can make it spin multiple directions, you can make it flip, or you can make it go straight. Oops, there went the camera. It'll flip over on things. Oh shit. Huh. Let me move this camera here a little bit. Get a better angle. Better view. Just watch the car. Okay. Now you can make it go straight if you work the controls gently. And if you're real hard on the controls, then it will not work with you. It'll do all kinds of little funky tricks. Flip over. It's more fun outside. This little toy would be a good gift for a kid just starting out in RCs, or just somebody that wanted to have some fun. Once you get used to the controls, you can actually make it go forward and backwards straight. If you just get on both throttles, then it just flips. That's all it'll do. The battery will last about 20 minutes or so. You do donuts either way. It'll flip. Yay! Oh, it's on the top. here it is. It's an S-Gile brand toy car. I think it's worth the money. It's not that expensive, and you can have a lot of fun with it. It's got little wheels here on the front of the car and on the back side. That way it'll make sure that it flips over and doesn't stay on the ends. It's a very good deal. Very cute. And these wheels are actually mounted to the rims. They're not glued, but they don't need to be glued. But it's pretty cute for its size. Kids will love it. I'll put a link to it below in the description. And don't forget to please like my videos and subscribe to my channel.